Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Snigdha and I make videos related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a fashion related video. This is kind of an experimental type of video. I have not done any such videos like that till now. So I thought of sharing this with you guys. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I trim my jeans or my denims by myself according to my length. So being a petite girl, I hardly get any denim or any jeans of my own length. So every time if I get the waist correct, the length is more, all the time the length is more. I never get a jeans which is of my correct length if I don't buy it from the cropped section. So if I buy a regular jeans, it is always long for me. So I did a little experiment on my jeans and found out a way how I can make this work. Every time I don't like going to the tailor for just getting the length altered, so that is definitely the preferred method which you should follow. But once I took a risk and I did this by myself and I liked the way it turned out, so I thought I'll go ahead and share how I do it. It's a very simple method how you can just get a trim of your jeans. So yes, if you're interested to see how the results turn out, then please keep on watching. And also if you like watching this kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button, and also hit the like button if you enjoy watching this video. That's all about the intro for today. Let's go ahead and start it with today's video. So the look I want to go for this kind of denim is like the distressed look. I like the end when it is little distressed and rough. So I'm going to try and recreate that on my denim. So I'm going to do that. So let's go ahead and find out what are the things you need to create this distressed look for your denim. So these are all the ingredients which you'll need to alter your jeans by yourself, and also you will need a pair of jeans which fits you perfectly to get the length. Now to measure the length of your jeans, you can do it with another jeans which fits you perfectly lengthwise. You can do that, or else you can also wear the jeans which you want to alter and then ask someone else to measure the perfect length which you want to go for, then mark it with the tailoring marker, and that's it. Then you can go ahead and start the process. So now let's go ahead and start altering our jeans. I hope I don't screw this up. If
I do, please forgive me.
So finally we are in action. So this is the jeans which I'm going to alter and show it to you guys. So this is the length, and also this is the perfect length for my size. So I'm going to take the measurement for this jeans and alter this one. So to do that, what I will do is just fold the jeans from the middle like so, and always take the measurement from this angle part. So the measurement will start from here till the length. So this is my measurement. So what you will do now is just this is the one which I'll be cutting, which is on the top, and this is the correct measured one. So never match the waist of the jeans because the waist differs from style to style, brand to brand. So always measure this part. So we will align these two parts together, you can see, and now we can see how much length we have to cut the extra one. So you can see this is the extra length which is left, which we need to work on. So I'll just take my marker and just mark the points, or else you can just take a ruler and marker of point. Just keep 1 inch extra so that it is not too short. Now I'll start cutting the jeans. So I'll cut one leg at a time. It sounds very wrong, it's not one leg at a time, but I don't know what is this called, one leg hole at a time. So yes, let's go ahead and do that. Now what you can do to distress this even more, you have 2 methods to do. You can either do it with the grater, which is more easier and faster way, or else you can take a tweezer and do it. To do it with the tweezer, what you have to do is look closely and you will see the white threads coming out. So you need to just take out the white threads out like this. Or the easiest way, I'll show it because it will take a lot of time. You'll just bunch up the ankle portion and just go zoo. I think this is the easiest method which I can tell you to distress your jeans, and it looks really nice. I really like how frayed it looks. This is how it looks, and after you wash it will look even more rough and really nice. Let's go ahead and quickly do the other leg. So this is the final result. I'll definitely wear it and show it to you guys, but this is the final way the jeans looks. If you like this kind of look, you can definitely go ahead and give this a try. I think more than the clean cut look, I like this one better, and it fits you perfect. So yes, this is the end of the video. This was the final result. I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it, and if you decide to create, which you have to take the decision after a lot of thinking, if it's your favorite jeans. You can practice in your old jeans first, then do it in your favorite jeans. Don't do it just seeing the video. So after all that precautions, if you decide to create, this distressed jeans to alter your length, do tag me in the photo on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. You can go ahead and tag me in your pictures. I will really like to see your creations, and if you have any other query, don't forget to leave your comments down below, and also if you liked it or not, let me know that as well in the comment section below. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, don't forget to spread happiness and be loved.